new branch. And I'm going to show you the slimming treatments that I've been having in preparation for summer. Let's go. Treatment room for today. Normally, I'm in room 7 or 6 eh. Yeah. So, ito yung ating normal, yung regular room. Come inside. Parang hotel lang, no? So, ito na yung mga gagamitin natin for the treatment later. So, sige, later ko na i-explain ano ba yung 3 treatments that I've been having here in Marie France. So, I'm excited to change up na to my Marie France room. Lagi akong excited to wear this. And syempre, kanilang fresh towels. And the very pink blanket. Very Marie France. Here they also have, if you like to put your bag inside, your personal things. Yeah. And they also serve water and cookies if you want to have one. Pero nagda-diet ako, ngayon lang ako nagtumanggap ulit ng cookies. Wow! Pero water every start ng treatment and at the end of the treatment, lagi ako nanghihingi ng water. Okay, so now let's change up na. Wow! I'm ready. Pero iihi muna ka. Bago lahat.
A few moments later.
So, titimbangin na naman nila ako to see if I lost or maintained or gained my weight. Hopefully, hindi naman ako nag-gain. Pero, since it's my 6th session, i-measure na din nila ako if nag-lose na ako ng inches. Last time, parang nabawasan ako ng 2 pounds sa timbang ko. Pero hindi pa ako masyadong happy doon. Pero mas magiging happy ako if nabawasan ng inches yung arms ko and legs ko and syempre yung tummy area. So, hanapin na natin si Nicolette. Ayun. Hi, let's go, ma'am. May na tayo, ma'am.
119, ma'am. Last mo.
Oh my God.
Gusto na 0.25.
At least,
181.
So, 118.5 tayo, guys. Oh my God. Okay na yun. Kahit pa paano. So, yung first treatment na gagawin natin, yung Varapulse. So, parang may electromagnetic din ba itong si Varapulse?
Yes, ma'am.
Basically, ang ginagawa niya, yung tinulaw. Tinutunaw niya yung cellulites, which is sobrang dami niyan sa arms ko.
Puno na doon.
Oo. Pero last time, sabi nung gumawa sa akin, compared daw nung previous na session ko, wala na daw siya halos mapisa na cellulite. So, well. Pero yun nga, medyo lumambot na siya. Yun naman, kailangan na siya i-tone.
Tightening na ba?
Tightening. Wala naman siyang feeling of anything. Parang minamassage lang talaga yung arms ko. Diba pwede rin ito sa thighs? Yun. Pero for my needs kasi, parang mas gusto ko talaga siya for the arms rather than my legs. Though, hindi naman sa sexy yung legs ko, no? Mas kita lang kasi palagi yung arms. So, parang mas priority ko siya. Wala namang stingy sensation or any feeling. Talagang massage lang siya. Ako kung saan pa yung breakout ko, yun pa yung face ko na nakalabas. Kita-kita ba yung sobrang pagkalawlaw na ng arms ko? Bastos ka, babe! Sobrang lambot na niya talaga. As in, mommy arms na siya. Oh. So, ang goal natin, maibalik yung dati kong arms. na yung may firmness pa.
Pero much better.
Kasi saggy na eh, no? Pag nag-age ka, nagsasag na rin talaga yung arms.
May time ba, mas maganda kung mag-exercise para mas mabilis na sumo.
Pero pwede na ba akong mag-relax? Kasi
Ano,
sabi,
hindi ganun
i-explain mo na
ka-intense,
eh,
oo.
para daw, kasi magiging muscle na daw yan, so ganyan na yung size niya.
Hindi naman ma'am super intense, yung ano lang, mild lang.
For toning.
Oo, for toning lang, para mas makatulong lang mag-type mo.
Ano bang parang other benefits? Silet ang interview mo.
Ha? Ano ba sa'yo?
Silet, nagawa na niya ako for EDM din, ano.
Opo, for you.
Yung previous treatments ko dito, yung EDM, for whole body siya. Tapos, in 3 sessions, talagang nagkaroon ako ng mga na-lose ako na measurement talaga sa arms ko. Inch loss talaga. So, parang more than the weight loss, pag may difference na sa sizes ng arms, ng tummy area, tsaka ng legs, malaking bagay na talaga yun.
Sabay yung dalawa ng exercise, para mas malaki.
Narinig niyo yung diet and exercise.
Combination talaga.
Well, ako, when I started the treatments, medyo mas naging cautious na ako sa kinakain ko. Kasi sayang naman yung treatment, di ba? So, since hindi ko kayang regular talaga mag-gym, maswerte na yung once a week na cardio. So, medyo binabawi ko naman nagbawas na rin ako ng rice. Pero yung sweets talaga, hindi ko kayang mag-cut back. Kaya, doon ako, pero at least, diba, nagbawas ako sa rice.
Paunti-unti lang. Okay na yun, at least nag-try.
Oo, siguro naman sa mga susunod na na days, medyo kaya ko na konting bawas din sa sweets. Ayan.
So, yan yung yung massage part na tayo after nung Vara. Tutunawin pa ni Let yung mga cellulite na nagtatago.
Durugin pa natin ang gusto.
Yes. Mararamdaman mo pa yung grabe, as in meron talaga mga stubborn fats na naku, buti na lang nga may mga treatments like Marie France, no? Hindi ko kailangan mag-undergo ng mga invasive, di ba? Na mga surgery. Sige, die.
Hindi ko pwede i-hard eh.
So, yung pang-scrub, pang-tanggal ng dead skin before siya i-Vara. For better penetration. Gusto mo yan? Penetration. Maganda dito, nakakachika mo lang din yung mga gumagawa sa hindi ka mabubuhay. Pero may TV din naman sila. Gusto mo manood. Gusto mo rin matulog, okay lang din. Very comfy lang yung mga treatment kasi hindi siya masakit sa skin or sa muscles. Talagang for moms, parang relaxation mo na din siya.
Nag-workout ka nga kasi pala mo.
Hindi naman regular.
Regular.
Mas regular pa yung Marie France. So now I'm having the physique inch loss. So this treatment naman, it uses electromagnetic for firming siya and muscle toning. So if kanina we're doing the Vara Pulse para we can pulverize yung mga cellulite, ito naman, after pulverizing the cellulite, i-firm naman niya and tone. So that's how physique inch loss works. So nararamdaman ko may vibration siya in my tummy, in my butt part, my back, and my arms. Yan siya.
So, right now, ganyan yung galaw niya. If you can see my arms. Hindi ko yan ginagalaw. Yan talaga. Kaya I have to do like this para hindi siya gumagalaw. Yan, kasi pag nakababa. Ganyan siya. So, currently, ganyan yung vibration niya. Zut, 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 zut. Nag-iiba rin kasi yung rhythm ng vibration. So, right now, ganyan. Yan. Kaya ganito siya, hindi gagalaw yung arms ko. Yan. Pero hindi siya painful at all. Parang massage lang din siya. Especially for those like me who has high pain tolerance. Parang wala lang. Massage lang talaga siya. This treatment naman is done for 30 minutes then. And after this, we're gonna have the FMS Elite. Yun naman yung malamig. Yung babalutin yung tummy area ko and legs ko ng malamig. I think, confirm ko later, pero I think nasa 10 degrees yung lamig yung ibabalot sa akin. Ganyan yung vibration niya ngayon. Zut, 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 zut. Makikita mo sa galaw ng kamay ko. Pero hindi naman siya masakit. Parang ano lang, kinikiliti lang yung muscle mo. So right now, we're doing the FMS Elite. This treatment naman is for general weight loss and to increase the metabolism. Kasi for moms like me who's already aging, medyo bumabagal na yung metabolism natin. So with this treatment, makakatulong yun para bibilis yung metabolism natin. So far, ito medyo malamig siya, pero okay naman, tolerable naman. Hindi naman yung tipong ipapatanggal mo dahil hindi mo kayang i-tolerate. Kaya naman siya. So feeling mo lang nasa room ka lang na malamig talaga. And this will be only for 30 seconds. This is only for 30 minutes lang naman. So, kayang-kayang i-raos, diba? So, yan siya. So, talagang sa labas lang siya. Wala namang anything din na invasive na gagawin. So, titiisin mo lang talaga yung 30 minutes na malamig yung tummy area mo and yung leg part. Hi! Okay, tulog muna ako.
So far, so good. Pero ma'am, ano lang ha, please try to do regular treatments para talagang bumonggang pagkakayat. Alam mo na, magsa-summer ha, kailangan paghandaan ng beach bod.
True.
Ay, wait lang.
So yun, if you are a mom like me who is looking forward to meeting your pre-pregnancy bod again, kasi ako sobrang namimiss ko talaga yung katawan ko nung dalaga ako. So ayun, ang maganda ngayon, we have this option to visit Marie France Clinic. Their slimming treatments are non-invasive, so walang sakit na mararamdaman. Technically, with the treatments that I'm having, si FMS Elite lang yung masasabi ko na kailangan mo magtiis ganda ng konti because it's really cold. Pero other than that, wala namang pain or anything. So, I'm really recommending the slimming treatments of Marie France kasi non-invasive siya, walang pain, and you just lay pretty and enjoy having your slimming treatments and having inch loss on your body nang hindi ka nasasaktan. So if you want to know more, I'll be placing the contact numbers and the website and Facebook pages of Marie France below. So you could just visit them and contact them if you would like to inquire about the slimming treatments and schedule your consultation with them so they will recommend to you the best treatment that's best for your lifestyle and best for whatever slimming goals you want to achieve this year. So yun, since it's almost summer, I think it's perfect time for you to visit Marie France and get ready for your beach bod. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. I hope you like this video. And if you want to know more, if you have other questions, just leave them on the comments and I will answer them for you. And that's it for this vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!